Here are 8 ways to boost your engagement on Instagram. What's up guys, Ebony Wilson here to bring you information on anything and everything related to marketing and film. In today's video, I'm going to be discussing 8 simple ways that you can start boosting your engagement on Instagram. So if you're ready, let's go. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, possibly smash that notification bell if you want to be notified whenever I post new content. All right, tip number 1, you want to like a post or comment. Liking another creator's post is essentially like giving out free candy. The more you engage and like on someone else's content shows that you're interested in them and encourages those people, those fellow creators to return the favor and give your posts more engagement. When you share or when you give, you get back. Just give out likes like free candy. Tip number 2, leave a comment. Comments are one of the most weighed forms of engagement on Instagram. It tells the platform, the algorithm, that you are engaging heavily with that content and rewards that person's post. And in addition, when people comment on your post and when you encourage comments on your post, Instagram sees that as a huge form of engagement, that there's discussion happening. That's what they want because it keeps their users active longer on the platform. So give comments as well as encourage comments from your audience. Tip number 3, guys, pay attention to this one because I see a lot of creators not doing this, and this is drastically hurting your engagement with the algorithm. Reply to all of your comments. When Instagram sees you actively engaging with the people who are commenting on your stuff, that tells them once again that good conversation is happening. Plus, it's also telling your audience that you care enough to respond to, if they make a comment on your post, you're taking the time out of your day to reply. Now, I know sometimes it's hard to reply to every single comment that's made on a post, depending on how big your account size is, or if it's some kind of generic comment like just cute emojis and stuff. Sometimes those comments aren't worth the you may think they're not worth the response. And also, Instagram may not weigh those types of comments as relative comments, but if someone takes the time to make a thoughtful comment on your post and you don't reply or respond, that's telling the algorithm, that's telling also your audience that you don't care about that comment that was made on your post. So to max out efficiency with this, try to set aside 20 to 30 minutes, maybe even an hour after you've made a new post to spend that time replying back to anyone who makes a comment on your post. This is going to greatly boost your algorithm points and help you out as a creator. If this video is bringing you any value, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, smash that notification bell for more content like this. It helps me out as a creator, and supposedly it'll add 10 years to your life. So, do it. Tip number 4, share someone else's post, especially to your Instagram story. It's true, sharing is caring. Shares also create virality, essentially, on the platform. So when you share another person's content or they share yours, you're increasing your chances of being seen by a larger audience as a whole. Tip 5 is view more stories. View those stories, guys. Spend time, looking at, most of us, believe it or not, most of the users on the platform spend a majority of their time scrolling through stories. So if you're going to be on the platform, check out other fellow content creators' posts and go through their content and just spend time watching stories. It helps boost the algorithm. It helps boost views for someone else, and it helps boost views for you. All right, number 6, reply to a story. Send a heart or send a, if a story really grabbed you, reply to it. That's like number 1 way of telling a creator, your content just served me. I really connected with that. So even if you only have a split second to send the heart face or send the fire sign or 100, That's okay. Just let that creator know that that content really moved you in some way. Number 7, this especially applies to business owners or people who are also trying to monetize on the platform. Send a DM. When someone connects with you and sends you a private DM, make sure you're responding to that. If you have a new follower come in or someone engages with you, be sure to introduce yourself and greet that person. If you have an offer that you're promoting, this is a good way to start before you throw an offer at somebody. And I see this happen a lot, and unfortunately it happens to me too, where I'll connect with someone and they'll immediately just throw their offer at me without us building a relationship first. Guys, that's not the way to do business, and it's not the way to build trust in a person who you are potentially going to do business with. They need to see you consistently putting out content. They need to see you consistently showing up, and just starting a conversation first is a great way to just introduce yourself before, hey, buy my thing. Build relationships. Be clear with your message. Making sure those real trust connections are built before going straight for the sale. Last tip, follow those accounts. If you like the content that someone is posting, follow them. Tell Instagram that that is the content that you want to see. In doing so, Instagram will show you more content related to what that person shared. So if a creator is pumping out content that you want to see in order to grow or monetize, or if you're into health and wellness, or if you're into marketing, if you're into film, whatever your niche is, it doesn't matter. When you see content and a creator consistently putting out content that you jive with, follow that creator, because Instagram will show you more content like that. And if you're in the same niche, it will show your content to more people related, building your audience, building that establishment of trust, and making sure you are seen as an authentic creator and an authority in your niche. Build that trust with your audience. If you like something, like it. Leave a heartfelt comment on it. Encourage conversation. And be sure to follow the accounts that you really connect with. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope this brought you a ton of value. If you're new to my channel, please be sure to smash that subscribe button, click like if this video helped you, and let me know in the comments which of these things you are doing and maybe even not doing right now below. I'll see ya in the next one.